For over 100 years, our name has stood for innovation, quality, and safety in X-ray protection. MAVIG is a family-owned company in its third generation, 100% family-owned and firmly rooted in Munich.
I am Alexia Lepere and I am the Managing Director of MAVIG. The name MAVIG was already used over 100 years ago as the product name of the X-ray and welder protection at the time. We are the world's leading manufacturer of X-ray protection and support systems in the medical technology sector. Our many years of experience and permanent further development, as well as our competent team of specialists, contribute to our success.
My name is Mark Hofstetter, and I am the head of development and design at MAVIG. Made in Germany is rightly a brand name that is known and associated globally with security, trust, reliability. Living up to this reputation is the challenge we must face in order to compete globally.
My name is Ludwig Hermann and I am responsible for quality management and complaint management together with my team. We have been doing a lot of environmental protection for years. We have our combined heat and power plant and a large photovoltaic system on the roof.
I am Philippe Milbret and the Managing Director at MAVIG. At MAVIG, we do our best to defend our position as a world market leader. A decisive factor in this is our optimized supply chains, which are designed to ensure the shortest possible transport routes.
I am Anna-Luise Uhlitz and I am in charge of product and project management in the field of personal protective equipment at MAVIG. Permanent further development in our company is very important to us in order to simply remain the world market leader. Personally, it is also important to me in product development that we actually simply meet all standards and not at the bottom but 100% so that the customer can fully rely on us.
We give our customers the certainty that they can rely 100% on quality and safety, because that's what the name MAVIG stands for.